Ciao guys, welcome back to It's Delicious. Today we're going to be working on the car a little bit. Those of you that were expecting a cooking video, do not despair. Those are also coming. I'm doing a bit of both because it's locked down here and I'm bored and we've got to do something. So today I'm going to be attempting to to clean the air filter. I can't buy a new one because everything's closed. So I'm going to just try and take this one out, clean it as best as I can because it hasn't been done for a long time, and put it back, and hopefully it's an easy job. My good friend Ruan told me it is quite a simple process, so I'm going to give it a go and let's see what happens. This is an Alfa Gt 3.2, the V6 busso engine. Everything's pretty tight, but I'm going to give it a go. It doesn't look too difficult. Alright, let's get going. Okay guys, so the air filter, okay, just to give you your bearings, it's the front of the car. The air filter is there. Alright, so it seems pretty tight. I need to get to those bolts over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the battery first, because I'm going to have to remove this with a MAF sensor and your intake. I'm going to have to remove all of that to get to it, I think. So I'm going to start doing that and let's see how it goes. Okay, so that was pretty simple. Be really careful with this, guys. This is your airflow meter. Very, very sensitive. So just put it aside nicely. Careful you don't bump it or anything like that. Alright guys, so now we're going to unplug this other sensor over here, whatever it is. Come and have a look. So there's a plug holding it here. And then what I'm going to do is take off these little bolts. And I think that this should just come out and we should see the air filter. So this plug, it's just squeeze and pull. There we go. So take that plug out. Remember, always be careful here because everything is very sensitive. Anything to do with air inlets, very, very sensitive. So now I'm going to take out those 3 nuts. Okay guys, so I've removed these 3 screw things, whatever. I don't recommend using a spanner because it's very difficult to get in there. If you have a long socket, rather use it just a socket with an extension, 7, it's a size 7, you'll get it out in 2 minutes. It took me a bit long because with a spanner to get it in there. Anyway, let's see if this is the right thing now. So I've removed them and now I'm going to, well, there we go. Okay, so again, careful with this thing over here. And here is the filter. It seems pretty dirty to me. Let's look inside here again and see if there's any. Alright, so what I'm going to do in there, guys, I'm going to just stick the vacuum cleaner in and I'm going to clean it up nicely. That's it. So let me clean this up. Ideally I should get a new one, which I will when the shops open again, but for today I'm just going to clean it up, put it all back together. And And that's it. Alright guys, so I thought I'd be able to clean this filter and put it back in for now. But I'm not even going to waste my time because it's so filthy. So as soon as the shop's open, I'm going to buy another one and put it in. But you saw how simple it was. It's those 3 clamps, 2 clamps and a pipe, and the 3 bolts. To put it back's exactly the same. Just slide in the new filter, put the bolts back in, put your pipes back in. And that's it guys. So my next video will be, I'm going to give the motor a nice cleanup, because as you can see, it's filthy, and we'll clean it all up, make it look beautiful again, the way an Alfa Romeo Gt engine should look. So until next time, good luck with everything. If you're changing your air filter, good luck, it's an easy job, and I'll see you later. Ciao, ciao guys.